welcome back to my channel. For all those of you who are new, hi, my name is Tuhan and I'm back with another video. So this time, as you can read, it is the part 2 of my question and answer video which went up last week. And when that video went up, I got a couple of DMs saying that, oh my god, you did not pick my question and stuff like that. So I actually did not want to upset anybody, and I did not want people to think that, okay, like I have picked up, like, just some questions, and just some questions I have left out randomly. And people actually, when they participate into something, they actually want to see the results to it, and when they do not see that, it actually kind of hurts them. I don't know if you can understand that, but you know what, I do. And when I got those DMs, I thought, like, okay, fine, I'll do a follow-up video for this. So here I am with the follow-up video for the my first ever question and answer session. So in that video, as you might have noticed, I went in the sequence of the most asked questions to the least asked questions. And so I went in that scenario, and they were like the top 5 questions, like the most asked questions that I had uh, for myself, my life, and my YouTube channel. So yeah, so they were like the top 5, and today we are going to go from 6 to 10. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first question that I was asked was, like the sixth one obviously, was my daily routine. Now I would like to say that my daily routine, I don't know what to tell you for this. It's not like very mechanical or very robotic. If I would say that, yeah, exactly this to this time I'm doing this, and then this to this time I'm doing this, and then stuff like that. It is not like that. My day completely depends on the work that I have to do. Okay, so it just starts off by I wake up at like 8:30 ish, and that is about the time I wake up. I just get fresh, and then I go and sit for my classes. So I'm still in my online classes, so obviously I just wake up at 8:30 and sit in my classes for like from 9 o'clock, and that is about the same time when I have my breakfast, which is in the time slot of 9 to 10. Now my classes go on continuously until 12:30. After that, and 12:30 to 1:20 is the lunch break sort of thing. So yeah, that is the time that I have break during my college hours. And at that point of time, it completely depends. If I have some other priority work, I would preferably do that. But if I do not have anything of that sort, I would probably just go and have a bath, or if not, I would just go and sit with my mom and talk to her about anything that I have wanted to discuss, or any important decisions that I have to make, and I think that her counsel would be the best counsel to do so. So that is basically the time I just go and sit with her, or if there's nothing to do, then I just go and take bath. So that was more or less it. And then by 1:20 my classes are back on track. On some days my classes get over by 12:30, on some days they go on until like 3 and even later at times. So yeah, it completely depends. Now after the lunch break, if there is like a class or something, so I obviously attend those classes. And yeah, if my classes get over by like 2:10 or 2:15 or something like that, then I have my lunch like after classes. Otherwise I also have my lunch during my classes, which is in probably in the time slot of 2:30 to 3:30. So yeah, that was basically it for the morning routine, like till until the noon sort of timing. And then after that, after my classes are over, it is a complete you know hit and trial method. Like, okay, I have this work, I have this work, I have this work, and this is the deadline for this work and this work and this work. Now based on the deadlines, I would try to accomplish all the tasks. Now if there are not like specific deadlines for that particular day, so what I'll do is, it just depends. Like, okay, if I think that I'm lacking behind in filming my YouTube videos, I'll do that. If I think that I'm lacking behind in editing my videos, I'll do that. If I think I'm lacking behind in my college work, then I'll do that. If I think I'm lacking behind in my office work, I'll do that, and the list just goes on. Okay, so there are a couple of other things that I'm doing. So obviously, if you would have watched my previous video, you would know what all I'm doing, and if you haven't, the link is in the description box below. So yeah, so there are a couple of things that I'm doing, and there will be times when, you know, I have to prioritize something or the else over the other thing. But yeah, more or less it just goes with the flow. Like whatever work I have to do, I'll just probably finish it off, and then after my lunch, I straight away have my dinner around like 8:30 to 9:30 ish. That is the time slot for my dinner, and by then I probably try to complete all my work so that after dinner I can have a little bit of a time for myself. But recently I haven't got any of that, uh, and that's totally because of all the work that I have been having recently, and you know, all the college stuff that I have been having recently. So yeah, because of that I haven't really got any of time for myself as per se. But yeah, and after dinner I usually work or just watch something, or just, you know, do a couple of stuff if I have to complete anything. And at times, you know, it takes up longer hours. I'm just up until 1 or 1:30 to, you know, complete all the work that I have. But usually when this is not the case, then I usually go to bed by around 11 or 12, which is an idealistic early 20 time to sleep, I think so. Although I do not advertise, or I'm not an advocate for sleeping late and waking up early or something like that, I am no advocate for it, because I know it's not good. But it just completely depends on the kind of work that I have on that particular day. So that is basically my daily routine. And as for the weekends are concerned, the weekends are more or less like that. Then I only have one obligation, uh, according to the time slots, which is my dance classes. And other than that, it just completely depends on whatever work I have to do and whatever deadlines I have. It just, my days just completely flows by according to the work that I have for the day. So that was that. Now for the next question I have, single and ready to mingle or in a serious relationship. Okay, so first of all, this is like very personal. I did not want to, I did not want to disclose it on like this bigger platform, but anyway, since it is a question that has been asked, so I'll answer it. That yup, I am single, but I'm definitely not looking into, you know, I am not looking for someone to mingle with, only for the reason that I have a lot of work at my hand, and I don't think that if I get into a relationship I'll be able to manage it, and I will not be able to give it my best, which I absolutely hate. So that is why I'm keeping away from all sorts of distractions right now. Now, the next question that I have on the list is, that is question number 8. So the next question that I have is, what do I find most challenging as a YouTuber? Okay, so what do I find most challenging as a YouTuber? I would say that filming the video over and over again, or certain parts of it over and over again, only for the reason that you get disoriented and then you just completely start talking about a different topic altogether. So yeah, when this sort of thing happens, or if I'm filming a dance video and then I just miss a step, or I forget something or something like that, or I forget to mention something in the video that I know is something that is absolutely important, and I like have to mention it in my video. So that is something when I have to, you know, sit back and then refilm, and then at times again you mess up something else and then you have to refilm that again, and then you mess up again something else, and you know, this entire process of filming again and again and again, if it is like a one take thing, I would be like really happy. 2 to 3 takes is fine, but when it exceeds like 3 takes or 4 takes for that particular video, it just really annoys me to a very like the extent is just unimaginable, because I just get annoyed that this is such an easy task and you're not able to accomplish it. What is wrong with you? So that is the kind of stuff that I go through when I have to, you know, take takes again and again for that specific part of video, and it really annoys me. So that is what I find most challenging as a YouTuber. But I have seen a couple of other content creators and YouTubers who do not encounter this particular problem. Like they are like, okay fine, this is our job, we are doing it, so why complain about it? And I completely agree with that. Yeah, I shouldn't complain, and I'm not complaining about it, but it is more or less like that. Yeah, after a certain point of time, you're like, okay fine, just chuck it, I am just gonna take a walk, I'm just gonna take a break, and then I'm just gonna, you know, blow it off for the day, and then I'm gonna return back to it maybe tomorrow or something like that. Now, the next question that I have is, I don't really think that I have an answer to this, but anyways, I was asked this, so I'm just putting it out there for you guys. So the next question is something that I had wished for and has come true. Now, I'm not somebody who really wishes for stuff like, oh my god, I need this, I wish for this, please god, I should get this. I am not really that sort of a person that I would wish for stuff like that. I would rather just take that as an aim, that yeah, this is my aim and I'm working towards it slowly and steadily at my own pace, so that I know that I reach it at some point of time. So yeah, and if you think of a wish that way, if you ask me, I would say that I wanted to become an aerospace engineer, and I'm on the path of becoming an aerospace engineer right now. So that basically says that yeah, this is one thing that has come true for me, or that will come true for me in the nearest future, like probably in the next 3 years, and might be after a year, because if I do not go for higher education and then I just take up a job, so then obviously I'll become an aerospace engineer and within a year or so. But yeah, that is the entire scenario. So after that, the last question that I have for this video is, what movie or series have I watched last? Okay, so the movies or series that I have watched last, movie, the one that I watched last is, okay, I like to watch all genre of films. I cannot, like, you know, if it's horror, I'll watch it. If it's rom-com, I'll watch it. If it's romantic, I'll watch it. If it's action, I'll watch it. If it's thriller, I'll watch it. I enjoy all genre of movies, but to be honest, my personal favorites are like rom-coms, because they're like, it just gives you a very good feeling on the inside, and it just refreshes you entirely, is what I feel. So that is why I personally enjoy rom-coms the most. And for that, the last movie that I watched was To All the Boys, Always and Forever. Obviously, I have watched the trilogy. I absolutely love the entire concept of the film, and how it starts and how it ends, the entire trilogy I'm talking about. So yeah, that is one thing. And the last movie that I watched was To All the Boys, Always and Forever. And after that, the web series or the TV show that I watched last was Supernatural, back, which I finished back in third or fourth week of, by the ending of January I had finished it. So yeah, that is that. So yeah, and that was more or less it for this video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that you are notified on all the future updates. And also follow me on Instagram, because obviously I picked out all these questions from Instagram from all my followers. And then yeah, I would definitely like to see you guys more involved in my life as well. So yeah, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, that was more or less it. I will see you guys again on next Wednesday. Bye guys.